Welcome everybody. In this video, I am going to be using Autocad to create the angle base. So to do that, I'm going to start off with the line command. So I'm going to type in L for line, press enter. For the specify first point is going to be 0, 0. We're going to start at the origin. And then I'm just kind of draw around to the right, kind of counterclockwise. So the next location for my line needs to be 8, 0. And then we're going to go up 6 units straight up from there. So I could type in 8, 6. We can do absolute coordinates here. And then I can go 0, 6. And then I can type in C for close. Kind of move this over. I'm going to see what I'm doing here. So we've created kind of like the outside frame of our angle base. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the 2 circles here. So what I want to do is go up to circle diameter. The center point of that circle is going to be, or both of those actually is going to be 3, 2. And then the diameter of the outer circle is 2. And then for the smaller circle, it's concentric to that, so it's going to have the same center point. So I'm going to go back to my circle, diameter option. The center is going to be 3, 2. This one has a diameter of 1. So there's that. All right, so from here I'm going to draw a straight line up that's 2 decimal inches. So that's going to be, I'm going to go to line. My start point is going to be at 7, 0. And it's going to go straight up 2 inches from there. So I'm going to go at 0, 2. And then you'll notice it has a line that's like 45 degrees up in this direction. So without going to my polar snap here, to do this probably the old-fashioned way is I'm going to use a polar coordinate. So I'm not sure what the length of that line is going to be, and it really doesn't matter at this point. So I'm just going to go I'm just going to type in a number that I think is like way too big. So I'm just going to type in at 12 and use the polar symbol. That has an angle of 90 plus 45, which is 135. And so you'll see that that line extends way past where it needs to be. So what I can do is I can type in TR for trim. And then I'm just going to select this top portion of this line up here. And so it trims it back to that line, which is where I wanted that to be. And then all I need to do now is just kind of draw this horizontal line across. So I could use the offset tool, but I'm going to do this also the old-fashioned way. So I'm going to go to my line. It says specify the first point. So that's going to be, I'm going to type in 8, 4.5. And then I'm going to draw this straight across. So again, I'm not sure what length that line is. And I could also use my ortho on, but again, I'm going to do this the old-fashioned way. So I'm going to just type in here. I'm going to just type in where I want this line to go is going to be 3, 4.5. 3, 4.5. Yeah. So now I know it's straight across. Again, it crosses over that line where it's too far. So I can just hit the escape key here. Type in TR for trim. And then just select this little smidgen of a piece here. Kind of cut that little piece off. So there is our angle base. And then I can go to my annotate, center mark. I'm going to click this outer circle. We'll put our center mark there. And yeah, that looks like we have it completed. So make sure you save it as angle base. And we'll go on to the index key in the next video. All right, peace out.